Hello, my name is Andy. I want to show you CubeMaster Magic Plus edition, which allows you to change the load in a C container or move the loads between two different C containers. So CubeMaster Magic Plus edition is a special version. So the other editions such as Enterprise, Vehicle, Palette, um, the other versions are separate. So this is another product. Okay, so but the first screen looks similar. I want to start a new sync container load by pressing this button. So we just moved up a new screen, which is setup. In here, we need to build two steps. First one is sync containers, and the next is cargoes. Um, First step, you need to build the C containers, but CubeMaster just brought the default one. If you want, try more, just press Add button, and you will see the record from the local database. Just choose, press this button. Now we have 3 different C containers, and we need to build the list of cargoes, which are the products or suitcases or pallets. So those will be placed into the C containers. Pressing this button, and you may see more choices, but I want to use Excel template file. And then I'm going to import this Excel file. Press this button, and you will see the preview, which shows 5 different records. And press this button. Now we just brought them. So we are ready to go. Press this button, and we have a solution which shows 2 different C containers. So okay, so CubeMaster just brought the results. So you may see we have 2 different C containers, and then 88 cargoes were placed into 2 different containers. So it shows the volume, weight, price, and dimensional weight total loaded. And then the list shows 2 C containers. Once you press each row, you're gonna see the detailed 3D graphic and the manifest and the other information such as preview and messages. So the 3D graphic shows um, the placement of each cargo. So you may see the different color, which means different cargo. So once you place your mouse on it, you're gonna see the detailed information of the cargo under your mouse cursor. Okay, and then if you choose it, you can highlight them, and you can see the hidden cargoes like this. And then if you press the mouse right button, you're gonna see more choices, which is going to hide or show the words. Or you can see the center of gravity or hide. Or you can choose labels on it or not. So if you choose different container, you're gonna see new graphics. So this is center of gravity, which is almost the middle of the container. Okay, so let's go to the edit. So this is the place you are going to change the load in a C container. The first time you're gonna see the toolbar. So you may understand this is hiding showing the words, show the center of gravity. I'm sorry, my dog is barking. I'm sorry because I'm working from home. And then, okay, this is the show center of gravity. So you have seen those before, but this is navigation mode is a new. So if you click this one, your mouse cursor will look like this. So you're allowed to rotate by moving your mouse cursor. Okay, it's easy. And then zooming, just scroll up your mouse wheel to mouse down. Sorry, scroll down your mouse wheel and panning. Just press your mouse wheel and move anywhere like this. And you can do the both zooming, panning at the same time. Okay, and then just press this button, which will put your view angle at the default position. And then if you want more actions, just press this button or press your mouse right button. Okay, all right. Now we are going to use different mode by making uh, this button inactive. So we are just entering to editing mode. In, in this mode, you are allowed to choose any card one by one. If you click on, the red highlight shows your choice, and then once it have been chosen, you just click and drag it to move to different position and do it again. So if you see uh, the X button on each cargo, that means it is out of bound. So if you go back, the X button has gone. So by doing this, you can move the cargoes anywhere in the container or out of the container. Okay, but you can use some more tips. So placing the cargo on top of the other cargos is a little bit difficult because it is trying to stick on the ground. So pressing T button while moving, it will be easier to place on the top of the other cargos. Okay, T button. So once it has been chosen, you can have more actions like changing orientation. Okay, let's try to zoom in and choose it, right? So you can press your number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1. Let's try this one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. Okay, so now we have two cards to be manipulated. So you can move individual item, but you can do it at the same time by making multiple choice. So just choose one and choose another one by pressing your shift on your keyboard. Okay, so it made multiple choices and then you can move them together. All right. Okay, so once you are able to choose one piece or multiple pieces. You have um, more choices by pressing this button, right button. So you can um, remove or you can cut it. So if you remove, there will be disappear. And then if you go to the cover, you can see um, one one viewer, and this is one view because those were removed. But if you want place them, just choose it and drag on it, and then it shows number of amount to be added. So just make it one. And okay, now it came back. It came back. So the others came back, right? And then you can place, right? All right, and then let's try cut and go to second and paste. And if you go to the old one, it's gone because it just moved here. Then let's try this one too. Okay, it's moved. So by doing this, you can move between two different C containers, right? And like this. Okay, and let's make it default position. All right, so now we were able to move between two different C containers. All right, just press save button. And so if you go to the today view, you're gonna see new entry. Next time you are going to choose this one, which was the most recent, and just press the open button to load it on your CubeMaster software. Alright, thanks for watching my video, and you can see more on YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.